Hello everyone and welcome back to Taste from Home. In today's video, we'll cook together a simple yet so delicious Korean dish, the famous kimchi fried rice. With just a few ingredients and 30 minutes in the kitchen, we'll have this mouth-watering, comfy dish that I'm sure you are gonna be in love with. I hope you guys are hungry because I am right now, so let's get started. First of all, heat a large frying pan over medium-high heat, pour in a little bit of vegetable oil and gently add in 500 grams cut cabbage kimchi. We'll stir the kimchi constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes so it will get softer and absorb all the flavors from the juice. Next, I have here my jar of gochujang or Korean red pepper paste. Add 1 tablespoon into the pan. The amount of gochujang used in this recipe really depends on your liking. If you want a smoking hot, a real kick to your fried rice, please feel free to add more than 1 tablespoon. At this step, you can add about 200 grams ground beef if you would like. Skip this step if you want a vegetarian version of this dish. Gently separate the ground beef and stir it with the kimchi for a couple minutes more until fully cooked. And of course, we are not gonna making the fried rice without rice. For 2 servings, I have here 2 small bowls of cooked jasmine rice. Add 1 tablespoon sesame oil for a beautiful aroma and half a tablespoon light soy sauce to add more flavors to our fried rice. Stir the rice with other ingredients for 3 to 5 minutes more and turn on the heat. For this dish, trust me, nothing is better than a sunny side up egg. Just imagine the gorgeous runny egg yolk over hot spicy fried rice. So good. To serve, top the generous bed of fried rice with the egg and don't forget to sprinkle with sesame seeds. And one more ingredient that will bring this dish to the next level, roasted seaweed. I love when they come in such a cute little package like this. You can wrap some fried rice inside and enjoy. Really addicting, I promise. I hope you have had a great time watching this video. Good luck with this recipe and I will see you on in my next one. Bye!